Hello class, today is Thursday, May 7th, and today you are going to answer the review from workbook page 94 and 95. But remember, before that we are going to make a review. So remember, the first thing we are going to practice is the time. So take out your clock and tell me here, what's the time? What's the time? What's the time? What's the time? Now I'm going to tell you the time and you are going to put it in your clock. So it's 7 o'clock. Now it's 11:15. Now it's 1:30. And the last one, it's 1:45. Well done, class. Now let's go to the next one and tell me. I'm going to show you. You have to look to the yellow circle and you are going to tell me the correct weather. Okay? So tell me, what's the weather like? And what's the weather like? What's the weather like? Good. Now tell me please the vocabulary words. Well done. Now we are going to continue practicing the present continuous. So remember, you have to say the verb to be plus a verb in ing. So please here tell me, what are they doing? The next one, this. What is she doing? And the last one, what is he doing? Well done. Now you are going to tell me yes or no. Remember, complete answers. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, she is. Or yes, they are. Yes? So tell me the first one. Are they watching TV? And again, are they reading a book? The next one. Is she dancing? Is she cooking? Is he riding a bike? Is he flying a kite? Well done. Now, tell me the vocabulary words, okay? Now remember, we're going to remember the clothes, okay? I am going to ask, what is he or she wearing? And you are going to also use the verb to be. Remember, wearing es usando, pero de ropa. ¿Qué está usando? Okay, vistiendo. ¿Qué está vistiendo? Okay, so remember this is a skirt, a scarf, gloves, trousers, boots, and shirt. So please tell me the first one. What is this boy wearing? What is he wearing? Now the girl. What is she wearing? Now the woman. What is she wearing? And finally, the man. What is he wearing? Well done. And remember, tell me these words with the correct pronunciation. Good. Now open your workbook in page 94. Write the short date here. And let's answer the first exercise. So here you have to write what is the girl or the boy wearing, okay? Then the next exercise, you have to read the words, read them aloud, and then you write the words in the correct box, okay? Then go to page 95, and then you have phonics, okay? You have to say the words and tick two words that rhyme. Tienes que escoger dos palabras que rimen, okay? For example, number 1, tube, stone, cube, 9. So you choose tube and cube, okay? Now finally, exercise number 4. You have to look at the pictures and here you have the verbs. You have to write the correct number for the correct action, and then here you have to write the complete sentence. For example, number 1, you have the verb drinking, okay? So you look for the boy and you say, he is drinking. Okay, remember, number 2 is eating. Yummy. Number 3, talking. Blah, 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 blah. Number 4, singing. La, la, la. Number 5, dancing. And number 6, playing. Like playing football. And then you're going to close your class book. And the last exercise is here on your worksheet. Let me put it. And pay attention. For your family time, you are going to make a spelling bee contest with your family, okay? And I hope that you have a lot of fun. And don't forget to sing the goodbye song, okay? And that's it, class. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.